CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for next week and onward. How is my CRCL stock prediction looking like? Well, let's talk about it. Generally speaking, like last week's performance was really not that good. 12% down is just pure hell. I'm still gonna stick to my strategy that I've refined over the last 1,000 videos over the last 5 years. So here's my exact approach on this. I've been nothing but bearish with CRCL. I mean, genuinely speaking, if you've been watching any of my videos, the moment the price started like breaking this low, to be very fair, for me it was just basically game on. I also broke this very huge low. I mean, we can argue like there's some big support zone here. That's not the way that I'm looking at things. It's just like the order flow and how bearish it was actually beforehand, right? Although we don't have that much data, still pretty clear. And I would only really be bullish in this market the moment I start seeing some proper breaks above like 85 bucks or whatever, right? Like even like the price breaking above 76 bucks is totally fair buy. Not immediately, but as long as it gives rules, you know. Actually, let's just reduce it a bit. But ultimately, this is a no man's land and it's pretty clear bearish range. And so I'm just anticipating these lows to kind of get cleared here at 61.77. So yeah, if you want to get my exact 3-step trading strategy and my exact top 3 stock picks for the full week for free, a link is in the description, completely free.